students, today we'll learn about methods of integration. So there are three methods of integration. Okay, first one is integration by substitution, second one is integration by partial fractions, and the third one is integration by parts. So for the exercise 7.2 we'll study about this method. Okay, integration by substitution. These two methods we'll study in different exercises. Okay, in 7.3 and 4 we'll study about this. So there are some formulas, okay, which we have to memorize. First one is integration of tan x dx, that is equal to log mod of sec x, okay, plus c. Then integration of cot x dx is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. And integration of sec x dx is equal to log mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. And then integration of cosec x dx is equal to log mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c. So these are some of the formulas. So now let us do exercise 7.2. okay, so here it is. Question number 1, integrate the functions. Okay, so here we have a function 2x by 1 plus x square, so we have to integrate this part. Okay, so you put an integration sign and then you write dx. So in this function we have to use the method of integration by substitution. That means we have to substitute either this or this, but which value to substitute, that is very important. Okay, for example, see in this question we know that if you differentiate this x square, what you will get? We find the derivative of x square, you will get 2x, right? So that 2x and this 2x will be cancelled. So in that way you have to choose the function, okay, or the value to which you are going to substitute. So here in this case I have considered let 1 plus x square equal to t. Okay, this part, the denominator part I have considered as t. Okay, that is known as substitution. You have to substitute a value either this or this. Okay, so here I have taken this part, denominator part, 1 plus x square equal to t. Now after taking this we have to differentiate both the functions, okay, with respect to x. So here d dx of 1 plus x square, okay, this function equal to dt by dx. So now d dx of 1 is a constant term, so it will be 0, and differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay, that I have written 2x equal to dt by dx. Now from here we have to find the value of this dx. Okay, so what will be dx? So dx will be dt by 2x, right? Just interchange these two values, you will get the value of dx. Now after getting the value of dx, we will put in this integration. Okay, so therefore 2x by 1 plus x square dx equal to integration of 2x by, now 1 plus x square we have considered t, right? So in place of 1 plus x square we have to write t into dx. And what is dx? That is dt by 2x. So in place of dx we will write dt by 2x. Then 2x is cancelled, right? So what is remaining? 1 by t. And what is integration of 1 by t? That is log of t. Okay, plus I have given you in the formulas integration of 1 by x dx. So here integration of 1 by t is log t. Okay, plus c. So integration part is over, then you have to put a constant plus c. Next, this is not the final answer. Okay, after this you have to write one more line, that is log. Now you have to put the value of t. So what is t? 1 plus x square. So in the next part we will write log of, in place of t we will write 1 plus x square, okay, plus c. So this will be the final answer.